Hello friends! Today we're going to draw a beautiful hot air balloon flying in the sky. It's super easy and fun, so let's start. Start with a big oval shape for the top of the hot air balloon. Then draw a small rectangle below it for the basket. Connect them with two curved lines. Draw some curved lines inside the balloon to make colorful sections. Add two ropes from the basket to the balloon. Now draw a few clouds around the balloon. Add a sun on one side at the top. And you can also draw a bird to make the sky feel alive. Let's draw a few mountains or a small green field at the bottom so it looks like the balloon is flying high above the earth. Then, go over all the lines with a darker pencil to make the drawing clear. Time to color. Use bright colors for each section of the balloon. Color the sky light blue, the sun yellow, and the basket brown. Make it cheerful and happy. This is our beautiful hot air balloon flying in the sky. If you like the drawing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more fun art.